No questions on property 2? This makes sense? Okay, if there are no questions on property 2, we are going to go back to, well, I'll leave it here for a second. I guess we kind of already talked about it, but today your assignments, there's a practice quiz. It's just classwork. It's not going to be counted as a quiz with questions on it. And then there's homework that you'll, where you're finding inverses, you'll do it out on a sheet of notebook paper, take a picture, put it into a document, and then upload it to Canvas. So those are your 2 assignments today for classwork and homework to do after we're done with our meeting. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go back to the front and do as many of those practice problems as we can. I doubt that we will finish all of those practice problems before 11:15, which is fine. I'll make sure, well, they should already be filled out. The filled out copy of this should be on Canvas. All right, so we're going to flip to the front. If there are, you're sure that there are no questions on property 1 or property 2? Okay, if you guys change your mind, let me know. All right, which of the 3 that are left looks more complicated?
Number 2.
All right, let's do number 2 together. That's a good one. All right, so step 1, let's see. Betsy, are you there?
Yes.
All right, so step 1 says rewrite. Let me move my paper down so you can see. So it says rewrite as y equals. So what am I going to write for step 1 on number 2?
Y equals 5x minus 1 over 3.
Perfect. Excellent work. All right. Step 2, Nikaya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so step 2 says swap or interchange x and y. So what am I going to do? What am I going to write for step 2? I think it cut you off maybe. Are you still there, Nikaya? Nikaya? Nikaya, if your microphone went out or something, if you'll send me a message to let me know on Remind. Let's see. Heaven, are you there?
Yes.
So what am I going to write for step 2 when I'm swapping x and y?
I'm going to do x equals 5y minus 1 divided by 3.
Very good. Thank you. All right. Step 3, Zion, are you there? Zion? Zion Black, are you there?
Yeah. I know you called it. Okay.
So step 3 says solve for y. So what am I going to do first? What's like the most annoying looking part of this problem?
The -1.
I think the 3 on the denominator is more annoying. The fact that it's a fraction, right?
Yeah.
So what's the opposite of, so this is dividing right here.
You gotta multiply it.
Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna do times 3 on both sides.
Yeah.
They cancel. So I'm gonna get 3x equals 5y minus 1. Now what do I do, Zion?
You add the 1 to both sides.
This cancels and I get 3x plus 1 equals 5y. I'm gonna move this over here so that we have a little bit more space. So we had 3x plus 1 equals 5y. Now, what do I do to get rid of that 5, Zion?
You gotta divide the 5.
Do I do it just to one side?
No, you gotta do it to both.
Perfect. Excellent. So I get that y is equal to 3x plus 1 divided by 5. Thank you very much, Zion. Excellent work. All right, and step 4, our very last step. Roxy, are you there?
Yeah.
All right. The very last step says replace y with f inverse of x. So what am I going to write?
F inverse of x equals 3x plus 1 over 5.
All right, you guys did great today. All right, so we did 2 of those practice problems together. Go ahead and attempt 1 and 4 on your own. See how you do. I will post the solutions. Actually, I keep saying that, but I think they're already posted. So you can check yourself, and good luck with the classwork and homework today. Message me if you have any questions. Do you have any questions before you go?
No.
All right, well, if there are no more questions, I will see you later. If you do have questions, feel free to stay on.